Hey guys, Glen Online. It's morning. We're going to go out today, so I thought I'd get my video done early. So this is exactly how I use a program called Referral Frenzy, which is really cool. It's a bunch of Safelists mailers. I do it every morning. I'm sitting here drinking my coffee, and I'm just going to show you exactly how I use it. Very powerful. I'll put a link below so you guys can check it out. But now this is not going to get you a ton of leads every day, but it's going to consistently get you leads because there's always new people joining these viral mailers that this system uses, and there's always like new people getting into the industry that are looking at ways of making money online, and this is one of the first places they get to. So it's really great to get sort of the newbies onto your email list. So that's the first thing. This is really about list building. So you want to make sure you have a really easy, simple offer landing page for people to opt into so you can get them onto your list. Okay, so I will jump into it here. Sorry, I'm just getting up, so it's like I said, it's the morning coffee, and this is what I usually do, so my voice is a little bit rough. But I'll go through exactly. If you like videos on how to do things, make money online, make sure you hit the link below and subscribe. All right, and hit the notification. So this is called Referral Frenzy. It's basically what it is. It's an automated. It's basically, if you don't know what a viral mailer is, it's basically a bunch of people opt in to look at your ads in order for the chance for them to send out their ads, right? So it's kind of it's like a traffic exchange. If you don't know what that is, same thing. People, you get to put your ad up and you look at other people's ads while they're doing so. Sort of, it's just a way to get traffic to your pages. Really simple. You have all these tools here. Basically, you go into my ads and you just create an ad. You can make a plain text ad or you can make an HTML ad. So this is one I'm going to be posting right here. She couldn't believe it either. I've sent this out. Success doesn't happen by chance. Energy gone wild. If you guys are looking for a good energy, if you're in the US or Canada, that's a great program. Hit me down below and say, hey, what's this energy gone wild? I made $200 in like 24 hours. It's great. It's something on the side. I've just got it going passively. So competition for ClickFunnels. So this one's made me a few $100s as well. So and guys, this is where I'm advertising. I'm not advertising anywhere else. I'm just doing it here. So this does work. It's just that you will send a lot of emails to get not a ton of signups, but you will consistently get signups every day. It takes a little while to set up because you have to join each of the mailers. So what I'll do, I'll put a link to this below. But anyway, so let's see if I wanted to edit this. This is just a headline. She couldn't believe it either. So down at the bottom, you'll see where you edit it. And so this one is promoting our hybrid marketing system, which you guys, I highly recommend you get into. So I'll put a link for that too, because it's got the landing pages that you can build, and it's got a whole bunch of pre-built landing pages. So if you're just looking at building your list, say you're in a network marketing company, or you're whatever your company is, and you're looking to get leads about people that want to learn more about making money online or that kind of thing, or basically anything, because you can set it up for them to opt in. You would do it here. You would send out an email. They would opt in. They would then be on your list, and then you would go into our hybrid system. They have an autoresponder there, and then you could email them. All right, you could email them once every 2 days, once every 3 days, once every 4 days, whatever you want, and you could introduce them to your business. More and more though, you're going to introduce them to yourself and show them, what kind of my kids are yelling in the background. What kind of sorry. I'll turn the lights on. What kind of person you are and what kind of business you do. So basically, you edit it here. You put your link there. You can't put any links in the text, and some mailers don't allow certain symbols like money signs or dollar signs or anything. So it's just nice to just come up with an interesting, sort of provocative or a curiosity headline, so people want to go, what's that? So they click it, right? Because sometimes people are going through their emails, they want to only click the ones they're interested in. If you want to use this copy in the back end of the hybrid system, there's actually some ad copy. So, and this is exactly what it's for sending out. So you just go into your office back there and get ad copy, and then there'll be the link. So That's the one I'm going to send out. So you go down here, you can go right here to send mail. Oh, by the way, this is an affiliate program, so you do get paid commissions. And what's cool is that if someone joins, like if you join my link here, and then the mailers that you go join under me, right? Then I would get you would join under me. So like say this one here's let me find one that I'm not a part of. So right here, I haven't joined this Love My Souls yet. This is just a brand new one. They wanted to. So if I wanted to join this, which I will at some point, I just don't have time today. I would click this link, and I would then join under my referral frenzy upline. So whoever referred me to this, they've got their information in here. I would click it, and then I would join them on that mailer program. And if I decided to upgrade in that mailer program, they would make a commission there. So it's a great way to make, like, guys, I make commissions almost every day from people logging in, upgrading, that kind of thing. So it's really simple to use. You go to the send. So again, I hit the send mail button. You go click here, and you just hit send mail. So what's going to happen, it's going to give you the credits, and it's near the end of the month, so a lot of them I'm probably low on credits, because you get a certain amount of credits on each site that you belong to per month. Oh, and also if you join that site through Referral Frenzy, actually a lot of sites will give you some bonus credits for mailing, and a credit just means you get one credit, means you can send one mail. So and I'll show you what if some of them you have to click a couple of emails daily just so you can use it. I don't have any in the plain text. Oh, here. So Traffic Classic. This is actually a really good one. This is getting about a 2% click-through rate. And oh, you can see the stats here, guys. My ad stats, and you'll just see what they're doing. So there's two things that happen here. You can so this, you click this little button is to read unread emails. I'm not upgraded in this mailer yet. I will at some point. I just haven't done it yet, but I will, because I'm just, what I do is I join the free ones, and then I test and see which ones have the best stats, and then if it's getting like 2 to 3% opt-in rate, then I will upgrade, because then I can send without having to click, and I get more credits each month, so I can send to more people each month. So sometimes there'll be links right here, and I'll show you one that there is, and you can just click the links and earn the credits there. This one you have to actually log in, so I'll log in, and it's cool because this has all your information, right? So you just basically, this one's like $50 a year to be a member of. So I'm gonna go here. Right here, most of them you want to look for either view ads, or under mailer there'll be unclaimed credits, and you simply go there, and guys, you just boom, claim your credits, right? So this one I think gives you like 25 credits per email read. So for each email I read, I can send 25 emails. So I'm gonna do that. And you want to have like about 500 credits. And so here's what you simply do. You just have to prove that you're a person. So see the 6, click the 6, you're given the credit. Some of them have images. I'll show you that. So 8. So you can go through this really quickly, guys. Boom. Just close the window. Boom. Boom. So there, I just got 125 credits. I'll grab a couple more here just so you guys can see. Claim your credits. Claim your credits. So that's it, guys. It's really quick to load these up. And like I said, if you're upgraded in them, and then a lot of them, if you're upgraded, then you don't even have to click credits. You just get your monthly allotment, and you can keep growing it. So there we go. I probably missed some there. There, now I have 250 credits, right? So I'll leave that for now. I'm gonna come back and grab a couple more credits. I just wanted to show you that. So then when I check status, it'll say I've got 422 23 credits. I can email 423 members, and I can send an email today. So I'm going to close that one. I'm just using tabs, guys, so that it's there. See, I haven't refreshed this page yet. So same with Viral Link Pro. Now this one, the links are actually right there, so I don't even have to go log into the site. This brings the links. So I just click on these, and I'm opening each one in a new window. So on a Mac, I'm holding down Command. I think on a PC, you just hold down Control, and then it'll open up in a new tab. See how the little timer just wants you to look at the ad for a few seconds. Now, the other thing too, guys, like let's take a look at some of these ads. So this one, 4,000 bonus credits this week. So this one is actually promoting a mailer, right? So you would get more credits to mail people. This ad is, what's this one? It's taking a second to load because I'm running a video. So here's a great example of why you want to get a good hosting plan, guys. So this person's page isn't showing up. It's because their hosting is crap, right? So this person, Gary, and this is who the person who's added is, Gary, you need to get different hosting because this is terrible. Your landing page is not showing up, which you just wasted that credit, right? This one, so this another one. This one is promoting another mailer. So that's and I think master is in the list. So this is downline farm. So this is like a downline builder. So like similar to, you would put in your program here, and you could grow a downline, and other people could share that downline. And this one, cryptobrowser.site refused to connect. So that one's wasted too. So the thing is, I know Thomas, don't be promoting that. It's not working. Come on, save your credits. Let's just refresh these. Let's just get a couple more. I want to see if we can find a landing page so you guys can see. A lot of them too, you can only open up 5 or 10 or 3 at a time. So it takes a little bit of time, but grab a coffee, spend 45 minutes, and get your emails done. You will get leads every day. Okay, so this is Build a Biz Online. So this is a business building platform. So that's a good one. Remember, guys, most of the people on here, if they're smart, they're here to build their list. They're building their email list, right? What they're using as a lead magnet doesn't really matter. It's really about building lists. So right here, this guy is not building a list. They're just trying to get you to sign up for the program, which is dumb, right? You're wasting. So here's the thing. Think about it. So I'm not going to fill this out. So you just wasted your credit on me. I'm not going to do it. Instead, if you made a really captivating landing page, right, then I might give you my email address. Same with this one, right? Click the wheel of spin. Like that's a waste of credit. This one too. Name, email, submit. Okay, so this is a good one. This is by Dale. Good job, Dale. I mean, it's a little bit blurry, it's a little bit hard to read, but has the COVID-19 lockdown got you stressed and jobless, right? Did you come online searching for answers to find your financial crisis? Our team and I can help. No hype, just works. Start the solution. So I want to show you guys something. I'm going to go over. Let me log in here. So we saw that landing page, right? Let's go to Reseller Center. So look at something like this, guys. Actually, I want to open up the link itself. Here. No. So let's compare. Look at this. Join the early bird list to secure your top position for freelance of the all-in-one hybrid marketing, or where's that other one? This one. Which one are you guys gonna? Which one are you gonna click? What looks way more professional? So Dale, while it's a great thing to capture emails here, You need a better landing page builder, guy. This is really hard to read. Get rid of all that white like lines around it. Your text is too small. It's really hard to read. So you want to make sure that you're in, you've got this. And say you don't want to promote this early bird offer. Well, this has got a landing page builder where you can go in here and you can create fully professional looking landing pages, right? And you just hook it up to your autoresponder. It's so simple. It takes seconds to do. So now you could grab something like, let's see, what's something like he's got going on there. He's got something in the background like this. That's a thank you page. Like look at this, guys. Like, this is just a template. You just hit use and boom, you can use this. You just change out the text into what's yours, and it looks way more professional than, where's that one? This one, right? So that's just something I wanted to show you guys. So we're gonna click this, grab that, and we're gonna grab this one. So is this one? Yeah, click here for details. So this guy's using cash in on a multi-billion-dollar green rush, and basically he's gonna capture emails if someone's interested in whatever green rush means, right? So you can also put your banner ads up here, but really most people just look at this stuff. So that's how you use Referral Frenzy. Let's go back to it. Now I'm gonna check status here, and it'll show me that I can now email. I've got 375. Now what do you do? So you just go through all of these, and see a lot of them. Sometimes some of them are 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. So you just go through and you're gonna pick how many. I've got like thousands of credits here 500. I try to get a minimum 500, but I also don't use all my credits at the beginning of the month. Like, some of them I have limited credits, so I will sort of spread it out and send like 500 or 1,000 emails each day. And basically, boom, you just go there, you then select the ad you're going to send, right? She couldn't believe it either. And then you just hit post ad, and then this will then post the ad for you, right? And that's basically it, guys. So hopefully that helps you. That's how I use it, just so you know. And this is a great program. So what I'll do is I'll post a link for this, and I'll also post a link to our hybrid marketing system where you can build really professional landing pages. And remember, guys, this is for list building. List building. If you're not building a list, you're not doing a business. You need to be building your list. Use this program. It's a brilliant way to build a list, and it's easy. You can do it every day, and you should be getting, if you have a good captivating landing page, you could easily get 5-10 signups a day onto your list, right? And you can, what's cool is you can keep promoting the same link. You can send out the same link over and over, because the repetition of people seeing it is really good. So if somebody keeps seeing your landing page, they might see it the first time, like, then they see it again, then they see it again, then they see it again, and they keep seeing it. They're going to be going, well, they keep promoting this. It must be working. I'm going to check it out, right? And then they join your list. So you have to think of the mentality of people seeing it over and over and over, and that's why you want to do this. Again, this is just one element. My video yesterday talked about using Facebook and YouTube for generating leads for MLM. The one prior to that talked about using Facebook groups to generate leads, and this one is talking about viral mailers to generate leads for your list. Don't worry if they don't join your business. It's really about getting them onto your list so you can create a relationship with them, start emailing them, and introducing them to your products. All right, guys. Happy lead building. Talk to you later. Bye.